In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to activate and use Zoom interpretation, a very handy feature that will significantly enhance your multilingual meetings. Let's dive into the process and make your meetings more accessible for everyone involved. First, you'll want to start by signing into the Zoom web portal. This is the backend website for Zoom, distinct from the application you have on your desktop or mobile devices. Once logged in, you'll find yourself on the main dashboard. From here, navigate over to the Settings menu, a crucial hub for enabling various features. Here, you'll want to click on the tab labeled In Meeting Advanced. In this section, look for the option that says Language Interpretation. Once you've found it, simply toggle the switch to turn this feature on. This is crucial as it prepares your account to host meetings with multiple languages, allowing you to cater to a diverse audience. Next, it's time to schedule your meeting. When you're in the scheduling interface, you'll see an option that reads Enable Language Interpretation. Make sure to check this box. Checking this option during the meeting setup is vital because it activates the feature for your specific meeting, allowing you to assign interpreters and set language preferences effectively. The following step involves selecting interpreters. It's important to choose both the interpreters and the languages they will be translating between. This step ensures that the right people are lined up to help your participants understand one another seamlessly. Remember, your interpreters are a bridge, making communication smooth and effective. Once your meeting is all set up with interpreters designated, go ahead and start your meeting as the host. As the host, you have access to all the controls you'll need to manage the meeting efficiently. After the meeting has started, one essential task is to click on Interpretation in the meeting toolbar. Doing this will allow you to assign or even reassign interpreters during the meeting, should there be any changes in the lineup or needs. For your participants, attending a meeting with interpretation is simple. They just have to click on Interpretation in their Zoom toolbar and select the language channel they prefer. This feature allows them to hear the interpretation in their chosen language, making the meeting content clear and understandable. Finally, there's an option for adjusting the original audio volume if desired. This is especially useful if participants wish to hear a mixture of the original speaker's tone along with the interpreter's translation, creating a more nuanced listening experience. And there you have it. You now know the full process of setting up and using Zoom's language interpretation feature. It's a fantastic tool to foster inclusive communication, making your webinars or meetings a place where everyone can engage meaningfully. Thank you for watching and happy hosting.